Second question. What is the second question? Name the following. First A. In second question A. What is the A? The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Okay. So which nutrients will give the energy to our body? Already we are discussed. Carbohydrates and fats will give the more energy to our body. In second question A. First question A. What is the answer? Carbohydrates and fats. Okay. I am writing only answers only. Okay. Second question A. Second question A answer. What is the answer? The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. What is the nutrients mainly give energy to our body? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats. Next, in the second question B. In the second question B, once you have to see. What is the B? The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Okay, see the second question. Which nutrients are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body? We need the proteins. Protein is also one of the nutrients. Okay, mainly we need the proteins. Okay, it is needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Second B. Second B answer. ANS means answer. Shortcutly I written. Okay, protein. B is a proteins. Second question B answer is a proteins. Now second question C answer. Second question C answer. What is the second question C answer? What is the C question? A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. A vitamin. Which vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight? Our eyes is there. Now for good eyesight, which vitamin we required? Already this question is known everyone. Vitamin A required to good sight. Eyesight. Okay. Vitamin A. What is the answer? Vitamin A. Vitamin A. Okay. Just I am writing the answers only. In your textbook you have to write the when you are writing the notes you have to write the question and answers. Okay. Next D. Second question D. What is the D question? A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. For bones healthy, which vitamin we required? Which mineral we required? D is a calcium. Calcium is required for our bones healthy. Answer is calcium. Answer is calcium. Okay, this is the second question. In second question, A, B, C, D. 4 questions is there again. A is a carbohydrates and fats. B answer is a protein. C answer is a vitamin A. D answer is a calcium. Okay, now I am going to the third question. What is the third question? Name 2 foods each rich in. Name 2 food items each rich in. They given the third A. What is the A? Third A? Fats. Third A? Fats. Okay. Fats. Which food item having the more fats? You can identify which food items. You can give the name 2 food items. That food item containing the which food item containing the more fats. Okay. Ghee. Answer is ghee. ANS means answer. Answer is a ghee. Another food item butter. Ghee and butter and milk, egg, etc. etc, etc. Ghee, butter, milk, egg contains the more fats. Okay, ghee, butter, milk, egg contains more fats. And B question, once you have to see the B question. What is the B? Starch. A is a fat, B is a starch. Okay, what is the starch? Which food items contains the more starch? Potatoes having the more starch, and sugar also, and rice also. What is the answers? Potatoes. These are the answers. Potatoes, sugar, rice. Potato, sugar, rice having the more starch. Next, in third C. In third C. What is the C? Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber. Okay, dietary fiber. Which food items having the dietary fiber? Vegetable and fresh fruits. Vegetable and fresh fruits. Vegetable and fresh fruits having the dietary fibers. And last one, D. In third question, D. What is the D? Protein. These are proteins. Okay, proteins. Which food items having the more proteins? One is milk, beans, egg, cheese. Okay, which food items having the more proteins? Milk, beans, egg, cheese. These are having the more proteins. Okay, this is the third question. Third question A. What is the third question? Name 2 food items each rich in fats having the which food items having fats more? Ghee, butter, and starch, potatoes and sugar, rice. Dietary fiber, vegetable and fresh fruits. Proteins, milk, beans, egg, cheese. Okay. Next, fourth question. Once you have to see the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Tick the statements that are correct. What is the fourth question? You can stick the statements which are correct, which are wrong. Okay. See the A. Okay, once you have to see the fourth question, in that A. What is the A? By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. By eating rice alone. Only we are eating the rice means we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body? No, our body needs the different type of foods. Okay. Only with rice alone, we did not get the all different type of foods. All nutrients we did not get from the rice. Okay, from the rice only we can get the carbohydrates only. But in the fourth question, A, they given by eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. No, it is a wrong. So you can tick the wrong mark. Fourth one, A, wrong. You can tick the, you can tick the, if it is right, that statement is right means you can tick the right mark. If it is wrong means you can tick the wrong mark. Okay, fourth A is a wrong. And B. Fourth B is, once you have to read the fourth B question. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, deficiency diseases how can we prevent? By eating balanced diet. That is correct. So correct statement means we can give the right mark. We can give the right mark. First statement, fourth question, A statement is wrong, B statement is right. And what is the C statement? Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Once you have to see the fourth C question. statement, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Balanced diet means we contain the variety of food items. That is statement is correct. Correct means we can tick the right mark. We can tick the right mark. Next, D option. What is the D statement? Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. Meat alone. Only meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to our body? No. Meat alone does not provide the all nutrients to our body. Okay. Only one food item does not provide the all nutrients. That is maybe rice. Maybe rice. That is a maybe meat. Our body requires the different type of foods. Our body required nutrients. So that's why its statement is correct or wrong. Meat alone is sufficient? No, it is not sufficient to provide all nutrients to our body. So that statement is wrong. Wrong means we can give the mark, wrong mark. Okay. So fourth question, A statement is wrong, B statement correct, C statement correct, and D statement is wrong. Next, fifth question. What is the fifth question? Fill in the blanks. Fifth is the fill in the blanks. Once you have to read the fill in the blanks. See the first question. In that fifth A, fill in the blanks. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, I given the one table now last class. In that table, deficiency of vitamin D, which disease we can occur. Once you have to see what is the disease. A disease answer. Directly I am writing the answers. Rickets. Rickets disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Next, B question. Fill in the blanks. B. Once you read the B, deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Okay, beriberi disease is caused by the which vitamin deficiency? Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. Already in the table, these are all answers is there. Okay, the fill in the blanks answers. And C. Fifth C. What is the C? Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency, which disease will become? Scurvy. Scurvy is caused by vitamin C deficiency. And next D, fifth D, night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of dash in our food. Okay, night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. That is the vitamin A. Okay, this is about the exercise questions. And one project and activity is there. Prepare a diet chart to provide balanced diet to a 12-year-old child. Okay, 12-year-old child. What are the diets? Prepare a diet chart to provide a balanced diet to the 12-year-old child. The diet chart should include food items which are not expensive and are commonly available in your area. In your area, which food items are not expensive and which food items are available commonly in your area, that with that food items you can prepare a chart. Okay, we require the some diet chart, yes or no? We require the proteins, we require the carbohydrates, all nutrients we require. What are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins and fats and dietary fibers and water. Okay, with that you have to prepare one chart. Okay, this is the exercise questions.